Hello, everybody. So, today I wanted to share with you 4 different ways that we can install the Microsoft PC Manager in case you're having trouble getting it to install on your computer. I know that I put another post up, which you can watch right up here, where I showed you about the Microsoft PC Manager that came out and it was available for certain regions. But there's certain people that have not been able to download that. Well, I wanted to show you 4 different ways that you could get it downloaded so you can get it on your computer and test it out if you want to. So let's go over to the Windows computer now and I'll show you those different ways. Okay, so there's quite a few ways that you can download the Microsoft PC Manager. Now, the first way is I'm going to go into Microsoft Edge. Now, I happen to have Microsoft Edge right here on my taskbar. If yours is not there, just click on Start and then just scroll down in the list and it should be under the M's right there and just go ahead and click on it. Now, the only reason you might not have Microsoft Edge is if for some reason you uninstalled it or you have an old version of Windows and you haven't installed Microsoft Edge yet. But either way, if you don't happen to have it, just use Chrome or Firefox. They'll work just as well. I'm just using Microsoft Edge. Now, up here at the top, the first way you can easily find it is you can just search for Microsoft and then a space, PC space manager, and then press enter. And it's going to automatically do a search for you and it's going to give you the results. The one I like to click on is this one right here that says pcmanager.microsoft.com. Now, if you click on that one, it's going to take you to this page where you can view it in the Microsoft Store. Now, all you have to do is just click on the download button. It's going to open up the Microsoft Store, and I'll go ahead and show it to you really quick. And you just open that file by double clicking on it. And then here it is, the Microsoft Store, and it's retrieving the information about Microsoft PC Manager. And then it'll go ahead and start installing it for you right here. I'm going to go ahead and cancel it because I want to show you the other ways, but that's as easy as it is. All you have to do is just tell it to double click on it and it'll automatically start installing. So I'm going to close that option and I wanted to show you the second way that you can download it. So up here in the address bar, if you go to https colon forward slash forward slash, and you can see it's popping up on mine, apps.microsoft.com forward slash en dash us forward slash detail forward slash 9 p.m. 860492 SZD and then press enter, it's going to take you to a page where you can also download the Microsoft PC Manager. And what it'll do is instead of downloading that file and trying to open it with the Microsoft Store, it's going to give you a link to download it, or you can also view it in the store. Well, the option I like to do is just to click on the one that says download, and then once it finishes downloading, then I can go and I can run it right over there from the downloads. Now, if it doesn't automatically show you the downloads in the top right corner, that's okay. What you can do is you can go down here to your File Explorer, or you can also right click on the Windows button and you can go to File Explorer that way. And then once you're in that, you can go to Downloads. And if you'll notice, it's right here, Microsoft PC Manager Installer. And if I double click it, it'll open up the PC Manager Installer and it'll either start installing automatically or give me the option to start installing it. And it did. It automatically started installing it. I'm going to go ahead and cancel it, but that would get it on your computer. Okay, so now another way that you can do it is I'm going to close all of these windows that I have open, even the Microsoft Edge, because I don't need it at the moment. And after I've gotten all the windows closed, I'm going to click on Start and I'm going to type in PowerShell. And here you'll notice Windows PowerShell is the very first and best match. And I'm going to go ahead and run it as administrator. And if it gives you a prompt and says, is it all right for Windows PowerShell to make changes to your device? Go ahead and click yes. Now here what you want to type in is win get, and you may have to click on PowerShell in order for it to start typing, and then put a space and put install, and then put a space and put 9 p.m. 860492 SZD and press enter. Now, in just a moment, it's going to ask you if it has permission to install. I'm going to say no, but you would want to say yes in order for it to go ahead and install that on your computer. And it may not even give you a prompt, but it's supposed to. There you go. And you can say no to this and it won't install it on your computer. But if you say yes, it'll automatically go ahead and install the Microsoft PC Manager on your computer. So I'm going to say no for now, but you go ahead and say yes. And then press enter. Okay, now the next way you can do it is if neither one of those ways are working, in order for you to go to the different websites or to do it through PowerShell, I have another website that you can install it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to close this and I'm going to go back to Microsoft Edge, which is down here on the taskbar, or if you click on the start button, you can scroll down in the list and look for Microsoft Edge and you can open it there. Now, if you don't have it, it's okay. Just use Chrome or Firefox, any of the other web browsers you prefer. And then up here at the top, we're going to go to https:// www.techspot.com/downloads/7506 dash Microsoft dash PC dash manager .html, and then press enter. And I also included that link down below in the video description for you. Once you get here, what you want to do is you want to download the beta, but don't worry, the beta is going to work and you can get it installed on your computer. And then once it's installed, you can update it to the newest version. So go ahead and download the beta. And if it doesn't start downloading it automatically, just click on this link right here that says click here, and then it'll go ahead and start downloading that file for you. Okay, so now you can see that it finished downloading over here in the top right corner. So I'm going to click on the little folder, which is going to open up the downloads folder. And if yours doesn't, it's okay. Just open up your Windows Explorer down here and then go ahead and click on your downloads folder right here. And there will be the Microsoft PC Manager Setup.exe. And you're just going to go ahead and run that, and it's going to install the beta. Once the beta is installed, you can very easily update it to the final version. And if you get a message saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Go ahead and click yes. And then you can go ahead and accept the end user license agreement and privacy agreement, and then click install. And it won't take it very long to download and install that. And then I'll show you how to update it. Okay, so now you can just click on Launch Now, and it's going to open up the Microsoft PC Manager. Okay, so when it launches for the first time, if you installed the beta, It's going to ask if you want to boost your PC's performance, manage your storage and clean unnecessary files, and protect your digital life. I'm going to go ahead and skip that for now because I want to show you how to update to the newest version. So at this point, once you skip it and you get to this page, and I'm going to say not now to use the handy toolbox to access useful Windows tools like screenshot and more, but you can use it if you want to. Just click not now. And then you want to go to settings. And then under settings, you want to scroll down. And now what you want to do is you want to click on update now. Now, if it gives you an error message, just keep trying it and eventually it will install the update for you. But that's how you would get the Microsoft PC Manager on your computer so you can test it out if you want to see if you like it better than the CCleaner that we've used for a long time. And it may do most of the features that you want. And it's completely free and it's not going to continue to give you those pop-ups wanting you to try to purchase CCleaner. So I hope that was helpful on how you can install the Microsoft PC Manager on your computer. If you do have any questions about this, you need more help with it, or you just want to ask me something about it, please let me know down below in the comments and I will do my best to get back to you. And if there's a video, topic, article, something you would need help with that you'd like for me to make a video on, please let me know that down below in the comments as well. And I will do my best to create that video for you. And as always, because you all do such a great job, if you can, hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep putting up more great content like how do I install Microsoft PC Manager on my Windows computer, and I will be glad to keep putting up all this great content for you all. Thanks so much, everybody. I really appreciate you all. I hope you have a great day. Take care. God bless, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.